Hey Colony, Ali here, and today I want to go over 3 primary issues pertaining to GoBee safety and troubleshooting. Just a reminder, remember to go through your GoBee user manual because the manual will answer most of the questions you may have. Alright, let's get into these top 3 issues. Issue number 1, my atomizer is not firing. I'm hitting my sensor and the atomizer is not heating up. So first thing, test a new atomizer. Simply unscrew your atomizer from the base and test out one of the 2 backups that you have in your GoBee box. If you try a new atomizer and it's still not firing up, then it's time to test your base. Your base is what connects your atomizer to the battery. So you're simply gonna unscrew right below the base and check to see if there's any damage. If there is no damage, wipe off the base connection with a dry cloth just to make sure there's no dust or debris preventing the battery from making a connection. Then reconnect your base and fire it up. If your atomizer still isn't heating up, it's most likely you have a defective base. So contact us at B-Nails and we'll get your problem solved right away. Issue number 2, my GoBee sensor is going off without me activating it. I'd like to apologize to any Colony members who have had their GoBee sensor go off in their pocket or bag because we had advertised that it won't. However, if a piece of metal touches directly on the sensor, it will go off if the GoBee is on. Common things like keys, loose change, anything made of metal could set off your GoBee if it's on and if the metal touches directly in the middle of the sensor. So if you are gonna put your GoBee in your pocket or your bag, make sure to give 5 taps and make sure that it's off. So that way, even if metal does touch, you won't have your GoBee going off in your pocket or your bag. Issue number 3, my GoBee activated and it won't turn off. This is an extremely rare issue. If you did this, you enabled self-destruct mode, so hit the deck because she's gonna blow! Just kidding guys, there is no self-destruct mode, but this is a rare occasion that could happen. So if that is the case to where your GoBee stays on and you're not touching the sensor, simply just disconnect your battery from the base. It will break the connection, and after you put it back together, it should be back to normal. Those are our 3 most common issues for GoBee safety and troubleshooting. If for any reason you're still having issues, get in contact with us immediately. Give us a call, shoot us an email, and one of our worker bees will get you taken care of ASAP. So thank you so much for being a part of the Colony, and remember, stay buzzing.